start with a circle. Now let's create some axes. Suppose there's a point here, xy. It has angle theta. Now imagine this point is rotated along the circle, say let's to this point, this location. Now let's call this new location A, comma B. And let's say it was rotated by some angle phi. There's also another coordinate axis that we can create that's shifted by exactly this theta. If we draw this line, this point here is negative y, comma x. These are all length 1, since all the radiuses are length 1. Since this is a unit circle of length 1, there is another set of coordinates here that it intersects with along these other lines. Let's call this one V and U. Well, convince yourself that A, comma B can be written as the sum of the U multiplied by xy. So that gets you to this point here. If you multiply U by U to both x and y, that gives you a new value here, ux. And then there's this invisible line here, but we don't have to draw it, but it's kind of like this over here, which gets you to uy. In the same thing, and in the same way, there's a vx here. And the x I'm saying is because we're going to multiply this one by v, like this, and we're going to add it to that. There's also a point down here that goes to, and this one's negative vy. It's a little cleaner if I kind of draw a line to a negative vy, kind of up here along this axis. What this means is that A is equal to ux minus vy, B equals uy plus vx. But what is x? Well, this is a unit circle. This is cos theta. This is sine theta. What is A? Well, we could say that A, this one here, since it's up here, it was rotated by theta and phi from this position. So it's cos theta plus phi. These are actually over a radius of 1, but since it's just over 1, it would be like b over 1, but we don't need to write them since they're ratios with respect to sine. So we can just drop the 1. And then b would be sine theta plus phi. What is u, though? Well, u is cos phi. And what is v? V is sine phi. But why? Why is that? Well, it's because it's along another coordinate system, but this time it's here, and it connects to this. And the ratio in this new coordinate system is the horizontal coordinate divided by the radius. And the radius is 1 along each of these. And similarly, v is the vertical. So it's the sine theta is equal to the vertical component divided by 1. You get these. And Take a look at what happens when you substitute all of these values into this system. You get your answer.